Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Babepai Pop-up Playpen for babies, a versatile and portable solution for both indoor and outdoor play. This well-made and sturdy playpen provides a safe haven for your little ones, perfect for keeping them secure while you tackle daily tasks or enjoy a day at the beach. With dimensions of 55.1 inches wide and 36.6 inches high, it offers ample space for crawling, exploring, and even napping, accommodating several children and their toys. Designed for convenience, this lightweight playpen is easy to assemble or fold in just minutes, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go parents and perfect for both home and travel. Whether you're in the kitchen, backyard, or at the park, this playpen ensures your child has a safe area to play, protected from ticks and mosquitoes. It also makes for an awesome gift, perfect for baby showers, birthdays, or holidays, offering children the freedom to play and grow in a secure environment. So, if you're looking for a practical and thoughtful gift that will become an indispensable part of family life, the Babepai Pop-up Playpen is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.